In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix domain DNS error in Shopify. So the first step is to go to your settings, and then you're going to have to go to domains. Now, as you can see, I have this domain right here that I'm trying to connect. Now, what you're going to have to do, so in order to fix this, you're going to have to basically use your domain provider. So as you can see, I'm using GoDaddy, and you have to make sure that you enter the DNS records. So you just have to copy and paste this. So if we go to domains, in GoDaddy, then we go to DNS. As you can see, we have here different values. So we're gonna have to click on add new record, then choose an option. So for this one, we need to add an A record. Then in the name section, we just have to use this one. And then here we says value, we have to use this one. Now we have the TTL. So here, if you want, you can choose custom, and then you can simply click on save. Now, after we add this, we just have to add more, and then we add the second one, which is the CNM. So we just have to add the CNAME, and again, you just have to use these values, and after that, click on save all records. Now, sometimes it can give you an error when you try to add a CNAME because you already have one, so you're gonna have to make sure you remove this one and only keep just one. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.